Hey folks, it's Nick. I got my dog Sam with me today, and we are heading to Erwin. We went down here a few weeks ago. There's a place that has a few ponds that has some fish in them, as well as some creeks. We focused mostly on the ponds. Today I'm going to focus more on the creeks. So I'm going to start out with a trout magnet on a 1/64 ounce jig head. And as we go, we may consider it upsizing a little bit, but we'll just see what the day holds and go from there. So I'll see you guys on the water. Okay guys, so down here at the creek, I'm going to try to get down to it just a little bit. It's going to be easy. I don't want to scare away the fish. Come on, buddy. Well, we've got this little deep pool here, so I'm just going to throw on and just see what we can get. Now, oh, we had a bite. First thing, had a bite. Hopefully, as it gets warmer, then fish will want to bite a little more. We'll go from there. Good boy. Okay guys, at this point we've got 2 creeks on each side of us. A couple more bridges that I've been to, and I don't know what goes on beyond that. So we're gonna go on up to the bridge that I'm familiar with. We'll be fishing some here, because I have had some luck just throwing in. Up here's where there was a big pocket full of green sunfish and tiny little sunfish. So we'll see, it's still deeper here than in other parts of the creek. I'm seeing some movement down there, so we'll throw in there and see. Yep, there we go. What is rock bass? All right, guys. Nice. I was not expecting that at all. Wow. Pretty little guy. Caught one of these just the other day off the Nolichucky. All right, guys. Oh, pulled a little too hard. What do we got here? Oh, tiny little rock bass. Look at him. Well, guys, I love them little red eye. That's what other people call them, but I'll definitely take him. Okay, guys, we're gonna let him go. Caught one of these just the other day off the Nolichucky. So I'll take it. All right, thanks, buddy. So, we're gonna head on up. There's a little bridge up here. That's pretty cool, and you can see on both sides. It looks like, I don't know if this creek connects or if it's exactly how this goes, or if it's a creek branching off. But if you stand up here, you can fish on this side. And the other side. So I'll have to go back and forth a few times. All right, and we got this one. What have we got? Huh, that's a baby rock bass. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. That little guy. Wow. So, he's tiny, but you know what? He was fun to catch. I have a great time with these little fish, so we'll let him go. We'll try from this angle. And then we might try to get down there so we can actually fish it a little further casting, because when you're up so high, it makes it harder to get as far. If I could get underneath on one side of the bridge, throw under, and fish all that, I think we'd do better. Throwing back under the bridge. Got one on. Alright, what have we got? A little green sunfish. Nice. Uh-oh. A little green sunfish. He's got that orange underneath him. It's so pretty. We'll let him go, guys. Alright guys, that was a good time down the Erwin Linear Trail. I've decided, since I was going to start out by only focusing on the creeks and only had so much luck on the creeks, I'm going to make this a two-part, two short videos. So in this video, as you saw, I'm showing what I caught in the creek, mostly small fish, but I also fish in the ponds, so stay tuned, and next week I'll show you what happened with the ponds. I'll see you guys next week.